So we start off today's video with someone who has long waist length hair. Looks like she does have a few layers mixed in here. Wow, so she ended up going blonde and getting a buzz cut. Wow, what a transformation. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at a variety of hair transformations. Wow, this next one is just as shocking as the first one. She went platinum and decided to get a pixie cut. So beautiful. Love this hairstyle. So there is the before and there is the after. Remarkable. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyle ideas, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have someone who wants to mix things up with a short and sweet pixie style. This pixie is going to feature some bangs. Oh, I really like the choppy texture that this has. Beautiful baby bangs in the front. Stunning. Next up, we see someone with shoulder length hair. The stylist mixes in some color. Oh, wow. Gorgeous, bright blonde bob. Loving this color on this bob. This is so beautiful. Next up, we have someone who wants to try out the shaggy haircut trend. I've been featuring tons of shaggy styles and mullets within these transformation videos these past couple of days. That hairstyle trend is just taking off so much. Very popular, especially on TikTok. Oh, wow. I love the way that the stylist did this. Her curls look amazing. Gorgeous texture throughout the cut. Beautiful. And then we have a Hailey Bieber inspired bob transformation. So Hailey Bieber pretty much has the Italian bob haircut that we're seeing floating around these days. And Haley is able to just set so many trends when it comes to her hair, her makeup, her overall style. And this particular bob definitely has a wispiness to it. Some texture to really kind of create some volume. So it pretty much has like that undone type of look and feel to it. Next up, we have someone with shoulder length hair. She decides to chop it off into this bob. Loving the ash blonde color for this one. Such a pretty color combination, especially paired with the red lip. The roots are kept darker as well. And I would say that this is more of a mini bob haircut. And I think for me, the color definitely makes the style look a little bit more trendy and just more unique. So then we move on to someone who has a bit of a bob here. Oh, wow, another amazing pixie transformation. Whoa, so she went platinum and got a streak of purple. Absolutely insane. She looks beautiful, and I love the fact that this is like an older woman rocking this look. Gone are the days where if you are older, you have to shy away from more youthful hairstyles. I love this look. So cute. Alright, you guys, I hope you were able to find some hair inspiration within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will of course see you in the next one.